the top news headlines. Manipur celebrates Mera Houchongba festival with great fervor. CM Viren is fearing centre might remove him, alleges CPI. Manipuri Sahitya Parisad Jiribam objects Manipuri Poetry Day. And Minister Nemcha Kipgen signs MOI with Bangladesh government. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA TONGBRAM giving you the news in details. In Manipur, Mera Houchongba, the festival of oneness, was celebrated with pomp and gaiety today. On the joyous occasion, titular king of Manipur, Lamjingba Sanajauba, took part in different traditional rituals performed this morning at Sanakonung, the royal palace. A religious procession was also taken out from Sanakonung, which culminated at the sacred Kangla. Several priests and priestesses and a large number of people took part in the procession. Lamjingba Sanajauba later performed the Mera Houchongba ritual at Kangla, the ancient capital of Manipur Kingdom. Various religious rites as well as rituals including Mera Santuba and Mera Kwaktanba, etc. are performed during the festival for the well-being of the land and its people. Later during the day, people from all the communities gathered at Kangla, where the main event was held. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh also attended the Mera Houchongba festival at Kangla. On the occasion, he urged upon the people of Manipur to celebrate the festival together. He said the land of Manipur belongs to nobody and that people should not fight for any part of the land within the state. It is worth mentioning that the organizing committee of Mera Houchongba a few days back urged the public to participate in the state-level Mera Houchongba celebration at Kangla and not to celebrate the festival separately. Akomlup Kanglei Park also organized the 19th Mera Houchongba 2019 on the theme Lining Londa Chingmitami Mane Chingtam Puna Chatminaramliba Asi Thakta Ipa Ipu Tinarambadagini at the Laishram Khule Laikai Community Hall, Naurem Thong Laishram Lairak Imphal. On the occasion, President in charge of the organization, Sanjit Soraism, said Mera Houchongba has once again reaffirmed the age-old bond between the hills and valley people. He urged everyone to promote the oneness by recalling and narrating the folklore. He also wished the people and urged for strengthening the relationship between the hills and the valley.
Mera Thongmai Thandana yam maru oina lumna lawrakanda aikoina ngasi hairiba magi thoram pareng asi kaidana aikoina pangthok na laiba se aikoi masi yamna taraina lobhum thokti yamna magi nungda yamna maru oiba yamna naksinba yamna magi nungi oiba wahanthok manungda yamna lairi haiba tare aduna mayambaga manauga leinariba machin manau oibagi atugumba achetpa mari ado hairiba numit asina lakpada aikoi punna leminarakanda Madugi Mihorondagi Leriba Adugumba Lichingdo, Apunbagi Lichingdo, Aikoi, Lishangsina Leriba Adu, Amuka Hena Session Minasi.
CPI Manipur State Secretary L. Sotin Kumar today ridiculed Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, saying he has hibernated inside a red hole, fearing that the centre might take up a move to remove him from his post. Addressing media at Irawat Bhawan, Imphal, Sotin Kumar also accused Biren Singh of playing power-thirsty politics. It is unacceptable that the Manipur government is still engaging in a leadership tussle at this crucial juncture wherein the government of Manipur and NHN-IM have closed in a final political settlement for the Naga problem. He suggested that an all-party meeting be convened soon and adopt a stronger resolution against potential impingement on Manipur's territorial integrity due to the Naga settlement. Satin Kumar also condemned the move of Modi government to implement citizenship bill. He also criticized the BJP-led NDA government at the center for allegedly attempting to rule the country exclusively under a Hindu Raj. CPI strongly opposes such move, he said.
Home Minister the kan haru taradi mahaki Chief Minister gi adu besokri do Chief Minister gi sokri do manghidra haibasi ki bena baram borkanda CAB sanaga sana sansudu adu leirna framework agreement si lakmatamda madugi mayok to kan lepuragadi mahak Chief Minister kuina oiba phangaloidra haibi akibido madun maram mahak to min no si makunda lo laga leibado no tawrieba akhoi demand tawri madudi Manipur integrity sopayaba adu ware amadi agreement adu pusala pasu ya yaro adu iroina khudakta akhoi sason tawriba akhoi seri bireni sarkars ne masina political party punamaki meeting kogudabani adu loirana athuba tong the assembly kor kanda Manipur gi adum integrity se yam section na ngak nabagi akan buwari am le center da akan pressure ma pbc gi tangai phada belay adu makha tar pada koina maru bi su kya sing se masing da mak koi bharu lengan sangjal ko do khungthang mayam se masi thena gi da mukta communist party na makhan kaya gi yo kaya sanction ko koi sem sare.
The CPI leader went on to say that the party cannot accept division of administration within Manipur itself under territorial council and introduction of 6 settled in Naga area. CPI cannot allow extension of Article 371 to Manipur from Nagaland, he said, adding that the party will fight tooth and nail against such plan.
Loinana ekoi Naga singna tonganba leipa amagi wafam lapu matamda adu loina bharot ning tamlamda gi matamda Naga sigi tonganba leipa am simjargi hai matamda Simon Commission lag matamda Naga singa se adu British ki colonial rule makha da khoi lei jawrgi harak matamda adu loina Naga tabalam singa se masi khoi yam athu matam manungda khoi tongan bali pa ma sembagi ultimatum ama khoi Manipur ning thau da pirak matamda solution sampan nimfu tarit ki November gi tarik kuntra singtam apunba mifam na singba kaudana MDU holder adu United Front na singba sem na khoi ngalinge matamda ge khoi party se masi thenaraga lakpa
Manipuri Sahitya Parishat Jiribam observed Manipuri Poetry Day today at Raja Ram Mohan Roy Library Hall in Teachers Colony, Jiribam district. As a part of the program, a poetry book written by Romeo Moirangthem titled Nungsiba Amasung Ningtam Lanmi was released. Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, Government of Manipur Ki Sarat Kumar Singh, President of Manipuri Sahitya Parishat Jiribam is Khogendra Singh, ADC, CEO Jiribam Nomai Them Bankin Singh and JEO of Jiribam TH Amurasi Devi attended the observance as man guests. Addressing the function, K. Sarat Kumar Singh noted that Manipuri literature plays a key role in propagating identity throughout the world. He also lauded the contribution of Manipur Sahitya Parishat in promoting and preserving Manipuri literature. On the other hand, A.S. Khogendra Singh said that the event remembers renowned Manipuri poet Let Lamaban Kamal Singh. Resource person at the event discussed and recalled the life of Lambam Kamal. Around 20 poets recited different poems during the program. Corporation Minister Nemcha Kipgan today signed a memorandum of intent with Government of People's Republic of Bangladesh, represented by its Secretary, Mohammad Ghyasuddin Ahmed at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi on the valedictory occasion of India International Cooperative Trade Fair, IICTF 2019. The MOI is intended to build mutual business cooperation mainly in cooperative sectors between Manipur and Bangladesh so as to learn, assimilate and develop further on the strengths, experiences and objectives of the respective parties in the interest of trade and business. Minister Nemcha expressed that the MOI signed will definitely expand and open wide scopes for the Manipur cooperatives to spread its trade to the other neighboring countries in future as well. Manipur's handloom and handicrafts products are widely known in the world for its fine and unique quality, she added. The heat and dust of Jammu and Kashmir have hardly settled, and the Narendra Modi government is getting engaged with Nagaland affairs and has fast-paced the process for an early solution to the decades-old Naga political problem, a media report said. The potent militant group National Socialist Council of Nagaland is in negotiation with the centre since 1997 when I.K. Gujral was the Prime Minister. For its part, the Modi government inked a framework agreement in August 2015. In August this year, the centre had appointed R.N. Ravi, an experienced hand in Nagaland matters and negotiators at the palace with Anasian IM as governor and reportedly gave him a deadline of 3 months to work towards an early solution. On Saturday, some key representatives from the Naga national political groups also held a marathon meeting with Ravi. The centre has directed Governor Ravi to facilitate a crucial meeting of Naga tribal groups, influential Nagaland Baptist Church Council and Village Elder Nagaland Gaon Bura Federation in Kohima on October 18 or 19 to iron out differences, sources said. Manipuri Students Federation will conduct an academic convention with an objective to promote better academic environment and for the betterment of student community in the state. This was informed by President of MSF, Ngariamba Milan, while addressing the closing function of 21st Foundation Day, come China Jubilee celebration held at Tidim Ground, Imphal today. President of Poirei Lemerol Merapai B. Apunba, Ima Longjam M. Chobi, and President of All Manipur United Clubs Organization, P.H. Nando Luang, attended the function as main guest. Today's event was kicked off by unfurling the MSF flag at its office premises, followed by observing a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to all the departed members of the Federation. Speaking at the occasion, Ngariamba Milan recalled the journey of MSF and its formation in the year 1998. He also mentioned that ever since its inception, the Federation has been working for the welfare of the society and the student fraternity at large.
Hariba academic convention asida lamdam asida lebiriba khwai miyamna praja section kudimangna akoge paliba lengak loina CSO students organization punamangna support tawidana asigumba awonba manipurama tangdu leitawa manipurama porakna bahana bada mahiroi singna laujariba thaudang ase masi mapung bahan biyo hadan MSF ke maikade appeal tawjai.
Now let's have a short commercial break. But coming up, Yes Plus Charitable Healthcare and Research Center inaugurated at Uripok. Stay tuned.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yumpalabi, ahal oiraba imasing na set payaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasi maglengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirangkhom Sawgaizam Lairak Machin, natraga aikoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Liklang Pare All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association Amawavana Hingbagi Wahantok Leiba Chakhatba Nungaiba Tangdu Leitaba Ketnaba Leitaba Kunai Amagidamak Leblakpa Chahi Kuntrap Mapung Parakli Liklang Pareng, Laglibo October Kungamari, Amawavagi, Kuntrarak Suva Foundation Dega Mari Lainana, Sinjariba Nungairaba Ishay Nomagi, Thoramni, Liklang Pareng, Mafam, Baige Chandra Open Air Theatre Board, Matamna, Nungthilpung Manga, Miyamna Sungsoy Shoitana, Saruk Yabiu, Liklang Pareng.
US Pizza and Fried Chicken at Sangay Pro. For us, food is about taste and delicious choices, but at affordable prices. Fresh dal with a high wheat content, fresh vegetables and chicken make our food special and healthy. We have 3 types of pizza crust to offer you. A wide variety of fried chicken items, burgers, garlic breads, pastas and mocktails await you. Come to US Pizza and Fried Chicken for delicious belly-filling portions at pocket-friendly prices. And yes, we are kid-friendly too, so bring your kids and enjoy with them. Come, taste the best pizzas in town and a host of other food items at US Pizza and Fried Chicken, Sangay Pro.
Welcome back. A healthcare solutions center called Yes Plus Charitable Healthcare and Research Center was inaugurated today at Uripok, Kaidem Lekai, Maninglerak, Imphal. At the event, Chairman and Chief Cardiologist, Sky Group of Hospitals, Dr. Jiribam Sam Kishore highlighted on different facilities provided by the newly opened center like ambulance service, home care and OPD. He also assured that the center will work at its base level in catering best healthcare service to the masses.
Please make sure that you employ skilled staff. If you require training, we are ready to provide training for your staff.
A book titled Antra Karma Shraddha Pradhati, written by Niwaran Chandradeep Sarma of Yai School, Imphal West, was released at Lakhipur Kuman Kasar today. The book delves on the religious belief and rites of Vaishnavite Meiteis. Around 50 people were present at the event. Under the aegis of Popular Front of India Manipur Chapter, National Health Campaign was kicked off today. The nationwide campaign, conducted on the theme Healthy People, Healthy Nation, will cover every nook and corner of Manipur. As a part of the event, President of PFI Manipur State Maulana Wahidur Rahman flagged off a marathon run from Irong Chesawa Makhalaikai, Maivampally Makok, which ended at the Irong Kuno Community Hall. The opening event was also attended by Vice President of PFI Manipur Unit Arsad Hussain Kwasmi, Social Worker Muhammad Rajiauddin Jiribam, President of ASDPI Manipur State, and former Pradhan of Irong Chesawa Gram Panchayat Muhammad Abdul Salam, and several others.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯩꯕꯁꯤ ꯇꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯗꯦ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯐꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡ ꯐꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯦꯜꯗꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯌꯨꯊꯀꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯀꯣꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯕ꯭ꯌꯨꯁꯟ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯣꯄꯨꯂꯔ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯟꯠ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯅ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯄꯨꯝꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯅꯥꯒꯔꯤꯛ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯦꯁꯦꯖ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯦꯝꯄꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ.
Talking to media, Mufti Arsad Hussain Kwasmi said the campaign aims to maintain a healthy society. Health awareness program, demonstration of martial arts and yoga were the main highlights of the occasion. The campaign will continue till 15th of this month. All Community Development Organization Muri Ekadom has strongly condemned the serial bomb blast at Muri town in the past few days. In a press release, the organization said such incidents have created panic among the residents and affected normal life in the region. Ekadom also drew the attention of the state government for taking up measures to prevent such incidents at Muri in days to come. More-based social organization, the Tamil Sangam, has also strongly condemned the recent serial bomb blast in More town. In a press statement released today, the organization maintained that the incidents have disturbed the peaceful environment and coexistence among all communities in the town. Besides distracting students is in preparing for their forthcoming final examination. Tamil Sangam urged the concerned authority to take precautionary measures in the town to prevent such incidents in future. Institute of Driver Training and Research Center today celebrated its 16th Foundation Day at ISBT Complex, Kuman Lampak, Imphal. IDTREC Advisor M. Lakshmi Kumar, Member Secretary Santi Kumar Naurim, Manipur Transport Department Deputy Director Dr. David L. Langba, Social Scientist Dr. Danavi Laishram, and Superintendent of Police Traffic Control Wing Imphal K.H. Sarma Ser the dais at the event. Staff reporter of Pogna Firm Delhi, Deep Chandra Sarma, was honored on the occasion by presenting a simple gift. IDTRC recognized his contribution towards disseminating information about awareness given to the people on traffic rules by IDTRC. Advisor of the center, Lakshmi Kumar, in his speech, attributed the present problem of traffic snarls in Imphal city to the 4 lakh vehicles in the state, which are seen mostly in the city area. IDTRC is working towards managing and tackling this problem, he said. Lakshmi Kumar also hailed the work of IDTRC towards ensuring road safety.
So many safe we have a see with the walk school office rush hour senior
Now we have another short break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
अखोई पामजब लंबीदा नियम चुमना चलबदी खुनाय असे नोंम नत्रग नोंमदी सौखटप खुनाय म सोयदन ओइगन
रेडियन ग्रुपना इनखलकलिबा नुपीसिंगी हाइथोइ सिंथोइरबा लौसिंग अमदी लमचतसिंग उथोकनबगी तंजांगी
थोरम असे होकदोकसब ओइना लाकदोरिबो अक्टोबर की तंग तरादा कर्टेन राइजर इम्फाल होटल द तंगथोकसबगे
कर्टेन राइजर निमित असिदा कॉन्टेस्टेंट सिंग कना कनानो हैबदु मसक खमोन मदुरिबनी
इवेंट असिगी ग्रैंड फिनाले लाकलिबो अक्टोबर तंग 12 Hotel Imphal assi soidana paaksagrani.
Numit asida mayam soidana lengkotro.
Nupi ekhoigidi khongthang khuding seksiningai ngaktani. Mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli. अदुबु महौसाई खोंचटनिना खुदों थिनिंगाई अतुमक ओय मणिपुर अहान बोइना इरमदम मसिदा साजबा निंगोल खुदो अदुबु ngaside khoi chingnaningai oidre aikhoi damak bright enterprises ki ningol khudo
presenting India's widest range of eco-friendly scooters, Okinawa Scooter. India's longest range and top speed of 75 kilometers per hour. Powered by lithium-ion battery. Government of India famed to certified. Get advantage of deduction of 7% cut in GST for electric vehicle. Can be driven in rain and hail. High-speed electric scooters. Pollution-free vehicle. Smiles for miles. 20 paisa per kilometer. Smooth driving on hills and valley. Loan available. Financed by HDFC Bank. For details, please contact Okinawa Scooters Showroom, Wangni Services at Malom Bajar, Imphal West, Manipur, or contact us at 700-5830-142 or 87877-23780.
Diwali amasung Ningol Chakobana lakpaga iroinana Sangai Honda na Festival asida Honda cars ki ahenba discount sing pizari. Hauzik Lariba Honda cars ki discount sing adudi Honda Amaze up to 42,000, Honda Jazz up to 50,000, Honda WRV up to 45,000, Honda City up to 62,000, Honda VRV up to 1,10,000, Honda Civic up to 2,50,000. Honda CRV up to rupees 5 lakh. Attractive oiraba discount sing asi lakliba October 19 gi mangoinana lobi hogadabani. Discount sing asi gidamak terms and conditions khara laizai loinana madik charaba servicing center su laizari. Akupa marol gidamak ngasimak lengsin birau Sangai Honda Ghari Airport Road Imphal Manipur.
Welcome back. United Development Committee, Wabagai Assembly Constituency and residents jointly organized a tree plantation drive today. As a part of the event, more than 3,000 saplings were planted at 8 different locations of Wabagai, namely Sekmaijan, Hayel Hangul, Santhel Uchiwa, Kelakong, Haibong Makong, Irong Jesava and Irong Kuno. Talking to media, convener of UDC, Muhammad Rijayuddin Jiribam, who is also a social worker, said that United Development Committee, Wabagai was formed by a group of like-minded individuals with an aim to develop the area.
Hamilton Bridge the Gina Jamuna Thong Pawada Laiba State Highway si State Highway si Hauzik Yam Sat Payadaba Pipamda Lay Aduna Masimasu Atuba Matamda Tawal MI Road se Sembiu Haiba Apil Sitauzari.
Brand Ambassador of Green Manipur Mission, Valentina Langbam, also participated in the tree plantation drive. District Health Society, Taubal, under the aegis of National Program for Prevention and Control of Deafness, has organized a one-day awareness program on prevention and control of deafness at Primary Health Subcenter, Uchiwa, Taubal today. Next, we have sports news. India won the second test against South Africa by an innings and 137 runs to seal the three-match series with a game to spare today at Pune. Earlier, the home team had won the series opener in Bengaluru by 203 runs, followed by the South Africans losing all wickets for 189 in their second innings in the final session of Day 4. India scored a mammoth 601-45 in their first innings, with skipper Virat Kohli leading the side with a majestic double 100. The third and final test will be played in Ranchi from October 19. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. First, the top news headlines. Manipur celebrates Mera Houchongba festival with great fervor. CM Viren is fearing center might remove him, alleges CPI. Manipuri Sahitya Parishad, Jiribam objects Manipuri Poetry Day. And Minister Nemchak Kipgen signs MOI with Bangladesh government. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.